Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, create an item for sale in the stand. For example, a game pass. To begin, open a browser on your device and search roblox.com. Log into your account and click Create from the top menu. In the dashboard, under Experience, just click your place. On the left side, click Associated Items and select Passes. Click on Create a Pass and upload an image to start the process. Keep in mind that there is a required file format. Place a name that you want for your stand and add a description if you want. Click Create Pass. Then after that, click on the pass you just created. Then on the left side, go to Sales. Toggle the item for sale option, then give it a price and click Save Changes. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.